In this video, we're going to demonstrate how we can have our NB application published on Internet Explorer. So to do so, first, we're going to set up our user and password. So we go to Tools, and then System Manager. We're going to see here we have a web interface operation. So we can set up our username and password that we like. So I have usernames Omron, I'm going to set up my password. And then as soon as we hit set, this setting is going to go to the unit. So it's giving me here that has been successful. And we exit. Next, we're going to add here a button to basically toggle a bit that will basically enable or disable that functionality. So if we click on this, so this is just alternate or toggle a bit, and the bit that we're interested in is this one here, the 9175. So this is the one that allows you to basically enable the web access or not, because the NB HMI has a built-in web server, and this is the bit that's controlling access to that. So we link that to this bit here so we can control it. And of course, you can put security on this button if you'd like on the control level. So if you put here conditional, you can put security level and then user permission, depending on his permission. So there's lots of ways to secure that, as well as the display. So if you don't want people to see that button, you can just put security level, and depending on the level you have. Right now we have 3 levels, but with NB you can set up to 16 levels. By default, it's only 3 levels. So when that's has been set for right now, I'm not going to use this security. I'm just going to keep it simple. That's what we need to do here. Hit OK, and we're ready to download this to our HMI. Just going to compile first. And then I'm going to download to my HMI. So our download is complete. So now we can basically bring Internet Explorer in here. And I'm just going to enable that from the HMI. And simply I can write the IP address. And immediately, as you can see here, it's asking me for a username and password. So I'll put my username and password that I set up in the beginning. Click OK. And here we go. So here is our application that it's running on the HMI right now. Running in the Internet Explorer. I can interact with it. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was useful. Thank you very much for watching.